I remember nung first time ko nagkamotor, sabi ng aking tatay, "Anak, huwag kang magpa-washing sa iba. Motor lang yan. Ikaw na mag-washing." I asked him, "Why? Bakit ako?" And he said to me, "Hindi lamang kasi washing ang gagawin mo pag ikaw naglilinis ng motor. Make sure pag nag-washing ka, check mo na rin ang tires mo. Naka-flat na yan. Check mo na rin kung may oil pa yung kadena mo. Check mo rin yung brakes. Check mo rin yung ilaw mo." You see, pag iba ang nag-washing yan, seldom sila mag-recommend na, "Boss, dapat ito may oil kadena mo. Dapat dagdagan mo ng hangin yung tires mo." Kasi mas maganda mag-travel, anak, na may peace of mind ka knowing you did your job, na yung motor mo safe pag nasa daan ka. And it's no different in running our business or organization. Dapat from time to time, chine-check din natin. That's why napaka-importante ng ongoing na training and development. You're not just there to train para pagalitan sila or just for the heck para may diversion sila. When you do training, marami ka dapat agenda. It's for you to check the health of their relationship. It's for you to check kung ano ang kanilang hardships, ang kanilang pain points, ang kanilang mga challenges. It's for you to check also during the training yung skill level. Ano ba yung mga hindi nila alam at dapat nilang i-acquire ng mga skills for them to become more competitive sa kanilang trabaho. Through training, nalalaman mo rin, na-check mo rin ang kanilang karakter, ang kanilang attitude, na-check mo rin ang kanilang loyalty. Kasi napakaraming benefits ang training. So pag ikaw mag-train next time, para ka rin nag-washing na motor, do not just do it for one purpose. Have as many purposes as you can. Para in a way, pag ikaw may training, na ma-maximize mo. Kasi it's not just for diversion or just for the heck na dahil may sobra kang oras at pera, kaya ka nagpakandak ng training.